Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to enter test mode on this device. So to do this, you have to open keypad in your phone application and enter the secret code, which is *# *# 2486 #***, and that's how you can enter this mode. So here you can, let me do this one more time, and here you can test different features of your device. For example, audio, battery, Bluetooth, camera, display, keys, sensor, SIM card, touchscreen version, vibration, VLAN. So a lot of different features. Let's see, for example, touchscreen. So here you can test how your touchscreen works, like this. Or you can test your sensor, keys. As you can see, so you can also test your keys here too, for example, and all of the other features which you have seen in this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.